Okay. Welcome po tayo sa ating po Saturday Night Basketball Edition. Saturday Night Edition po ng Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. Okay, ito po yun. This is your Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. We'd like to first thank the following sponsors: The Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala. Sapan natin po dyan ng SPB ARA and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, ito po ating mga participating teams sa ating season number 5. Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx Basketball Team, In-Flights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, Square Towers, Freighters, Sky Team, and The Mechanicals. Of course, ito pang eliminations po sa ating Saturday Night Basketball action. First game po sa ating po sa gamito is The Hub versus Airport United. Okay, welcome po tayo. We're live still po dito sa ating green area or green school po, or the Sudanese school po in Abu Hamur in Doha. We're just waiting na for the game to start right now. Ito yung kompleto na po both teams po. Ilan po ngayon po sa para po magsimula po ang ligang itong larong ito. Of course, The Hub versus Airport United. Of course, nandito po yung mga ating mga may mga pansin po dito mga kasakasa po dyan right now. Okay, Team Blue po tayo versus Team Puti. Malalaman po natin po yan po after 1 minute and 56 seconds po before tip of time ng ating ligang ito. Of course, motoble po, nandiyan po muli si Fred Di Macali. Think wala tayong lipat yun, si Fred. Si Idol Fred Di Macali. Si Fred. Basta. Yung bagong ginagawa. Mga Okay, siyan. Of course, siyempre si Babagay nandyan din, yung magtitimo ng kanyang team. Posible siya magtitimo ng kanyang team po. Thanks enough po to start this game up and running. Of course, nandyan si Lopez, si Mr. Bered, si Barrero. Of course, nandyan si Bisto Brother, si Ilaw, si Kalilong, at iba mga cast po ng Airport United. Team Blue po tayo. Of course, dito na po. Nandiyan po, of course. Nandiyan si Najib. Nandiyan din si si Eusebio. And of course, nandiyan din si De Padua. Yan naman po mga sa kabilang po dyan. Idol. Basta. Good luck po. Ina po tayo sa pagdano. And of course, nandiyan si Pilaw din po. Compete sa The Hub naman po tayo. We're just waiting now to start the ball game in 33 seconds remaining. And coming up next po is Airport United versus The Hub. Live po tayo po ngayon po sa Sudanese School in Abu Hamur in Doha. Ito ba katabi po ng, alam natin po yan, ito po ang katabi po ng QDC. Siguro pagkatapos na pwede tayo pumunta sa QDC para bumuka ng alak para mag-inuman kagat po tayo. Idol. Oh, Mr. Ano? Oh, Dimac, basta. Ay, ma'am. Wala trabaho pala si Madame. Okay, first 5. Calling now the first 5 po. Yung bench po, doon po yung bench ha. Kabila po yung bench. Dimac, doon po kayo. Doon po bench. Dimac, tumataba. Alagang-alaga. Alagang-alaga. Ma'am, di ba sa ano kayo? Di ba sa MOI kayo, di ba? MOI? Wala bang yung opening doon? Opening? Ha? Technique sa maintenance. Wala ba? Yun lang, no? Yun lang. Antay po tayo po dyan. Final instructions been now pinpointed at the team now. And come up next now, first game for tonight po sa ating Saturday Night Basketball action between Airport United versus The Hub. Ma'am, dagi ba po ma'am? Yan, si Commander Molina, nandiyan pala. Kaya kagabi pa yung pusang yun eh. Yan, yung same pusa na nanggugulo kagabi. Okay, first quarter, first 5, the starters. Of course, si Fred. Sino pa? Si Lopez, si Kalilong. Sino pa? Oh. At si Babagay. Yan. Fred, Molina, Kalilong. At si Lopez. Sa kabilang po, of course, nandyan si Eusebio, si De Padua, si number 24. Sino pa? Yung dalawa pa. Okay, mula si Pilaw yan. Okay, si Pilaw at si pang-apat. Sino po ang pang-apat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. O, panglima. At si Valdez. Takin na po tayo mga boss. Takin lang po. Thank you. Oh, pusa na naman. Ang Mechanicos mamaya. Okay, after this po pala po Mechanicos. Check natin ating cue card po. Of course, next po is Mechanicos versus the Freighters pala after this game. Kanina kagabi ka pa ha? Okay, ito na. First possession. Okay, ito na po tayo on the attack point. Kalilo for 3. No good. Rebound, Eusebio. Ito na. Now, Valdez. Shoutout kay Tito Mark Lopez. Sabi ni Mr. Rob Castor, nanakawan po kagad. Ayan, kay Lopez. Lopez, sidestep mo malakas. Di makali. Trailing jump. Tinulak mo ng bagya. Walang tao, Lopez. Number 24. Kick pass. Di makali. Pops number 3. Bang! Okay, opening offense kagad. Binuksan kagad po ng Airport United. 3-9. 9:22 remaining. Uy! And Fred Di Macali. Marami sila. Babagay. Pinasa pa. 2 points na back-to-back. Field goals para kay Fred Di Macali via assist by Mr. Babagay. Fred, grabe si Rob Castor kung makatito ha. Okay, Depado, floater shot wala. Muli na naka-rebound. Hoy, reaching foul. Rosana called for the reaching foul. Balik pa rin po sa bola ng blue ang bola. Man, it messed up my visuals. Grabe. Okay, now Molina. Sorry, Lopez pala. Di Macali, pass kay Lopez. Kalilong for 3. Ayaw. Okay, Lopez. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, battle one by Tipado. Binoto agad. Nando si Di Macali. Di Macali. Palpal. Ni Tipado naman. Foul. Nice swipe. Smothered by Tipado si Di Macali. Valdez called for the foul. Balik tayo po ngayon. Shoutout po kay Fred Di Macali. Harden demo version. Okay, Babagay. Kick pass. Kalilong now. Lopez. Tapos. De Padua. Binatong bola. Ayaw. Valdez. Tordiner Canton is watching also. Ayan, si Mr. Tordiner Canton. Pops up. Pilaw. Bang! Bumawi ka agad. Pilaw 3 points. 5-3 score po natin at 7:41 remaining. First quarter action. Lopez. Wala. Molina. Pasa kay Molina muna. And kay Di Macali. Nagbalay hindi. Uy! Siya yung ball. Pinapik palabas. Nilipado ang bola. De Padua. Pinapik po. Swipe plus po. Kalino kumili ng pasa. Kalino for 3. Nursery. Kalilong 3 points kagad na pinakuna ng bata. Batang Kalilong nga talaga. Binababa ang bola ngayon de Valdez. Pinalo ka, binawi. Ayan na naman. Hoy, Di Macali. Nice swipe. Di Macali. Pinasa kagad. Molina. Binababa ang bola. Lopez. D-shot pass to Fred Di Macali ka po. Stand on si Lopez. Di Macali. Humingi ng bola. Now, quick pass. Kalino naman. Offline. Depada. Clearing the boards. Valdez. Pilaw. Bay nagbabantay. Pinasa muna kay Valdez. Uy! Depadua. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle won by the blue shirts. No, it's Valdez. Valdez again. Nando si Babagay, binabang bola. Babagay. Pagpanik, foul. Eusebio called for the foul for sure. Foul on Eusebio.
Eusebio, first personal foul.
Una ni Eusebio po yan. Number 1, Eusebio. And of course, Babagay shooting for 2. Ay, hindi pala, sorry. Ayaw. Down pala, down. Babagay for the inbound. Mr. Babagay. Babagay. Molina. Binato agad. Eto na. Good ball. One more time. Nice block. Ayun na. Kay Mr. Rosana. No good. Viva Molina. Molina. Nice board. Binababa ka agad. Eto na. Lopez. Lopez. Side step move. Malalim. Malalim. Walang tawag. Malalim. Shoutout kay Mao. Viva Max Club again. Team and Ariel. Sabi ni Ralph Castor. Oy! 3-second violation.
Okay, potential last possession tayo.
3-second violation called. 8 triple score po natin. A relative low scoring first half. First half of the first quarter. Ating matindi pa bantayan po. Lopez for 3. Thanks rin. Thanks rin by Lopez. Eto po tayo. Valdez. Palpal. Okay. Palit player po tayo yun. Of course, nandiyan po si number 22, Barantes. Ay, sorry, si Baredo, rather. Si Bisto Brother. I think si Munila will retain. Si number 3, nandiyan din. At si number 9, si Bishwa. Kabalanan po, of course, nandiyan si Dimac. Si Najib, si number 33. At si number 26. At of course, si Nichols. Third din na, okay, sabi po ni third din na, Boss Alvin, pakisabi kay third kay Timothy Eusebio. Password ng Viva Max account niya. Hindi daw kasi malagin. Okay, sige po. Okay, back to the bogey muli po tayo. Grabe. Tungting, tungting. Okay, pops up number 9. Bangs it in. Number 9. Nagpakilala ka agad. Nagparamdam ka agad si number 9. That's Cordero. And to Tulyao. Tulyao against Bishwa. Tulyao. De Arce. Dimac naman. Dimac pops up. Nope. Rebound. Baredo. Clearing the boards. Again, Bisto Brother. Bisto Brother number 2. Bishwa. Bisto. And Cordero. Driving Shong. Nope. Bisto naman. Bisto. Driving. Uy. Op. Foul called.
Foul committed to jersey number 4. First personal. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty po. 1.4 team fouls po ang The Hub. 4 teams po ang The Hub namin po. Ito na po tayo yun. Ayan na. Visual. No good. Rebound. Molina. Wala pa rin. Molina muli. Uy. Good ball. Wala tatawag. Wala pa rin. Tulyao naka-rebound. Tulyao cleaning the boards. Nichols. 26. De Arce. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Baredo. Now to Bishwa. Bisto Brother. Bishwa, Bisto. Oy. De Arce. Easy 2 points by De Arce. De Arce easy 2 points. De Arce, easy 2 points ka De Arce. Bisto Brother number 2. Cordero, pops up. Binato lang, hindi pa. Cordero minimum bola. Vishal clearing the boards. Vishal. In and out. Inalog lang palabas ang bola. Dimac. Wala pa rin. Dimac uli. Dimac. Clearing the foul called. Dimac creating some space. Foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 9.
Number 9 called for the foul. Vishal. Dimac. Garce. Now Mr. Nichols. Tulyao for 3. In and out.
Dominic, right now with the rebound.
Bishwa. Wala pa rin. Good ball, good ball. Diarse naman, Diarse. Diarse, against Cordero, Najib. Najib for 3. Wala. Molina naka-rebound. And Vishal. 2:19 remaining. Dominic Cordero. Ito naman tayo kay Molina. And Mr. Tubisto for 3. No good. Rebound, Barredo, out of bounds. Timeout called. Airport United called for the timeout at 2:06 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Of course, after this po, Mr. Praetors and Mechanicos, where na you? Dito na mi. Yan po, sengge po natin pumamya. And si Gio Santiago is watching right now also. Sinabi po ng third dinner Canton, ulitin po natin. Boss Arvin, pakisabi ko kay Team Eusebio, ang paso po ng Viva Max account niya, di doon siya makalagton. Ano ba yan? Okay, balik muli pa tayo. 2:06 remaining. 2:06 remaining. D-Mac for the inbound. Now si Mr. 28. Diarse. D-Mac. Diarse again. Tuliao. Najib. Pops up. Wala. Rebound Barredo. Barredo naka-rebound. Clearing the boards. Vishwa. Visto. Barredo. For 3. Malakas. Out of bounds. Blue ball.
14 shot clock.
Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball daw. Molina. Ginagalang bola. Pops up Cordero. Wala. Free Vishal na naman for Fresh 14. Fresh 14. Vishal. Ducks up. Napala pa rin. Hop. Same ball. More chance points na bin-enjoyed by Airport United. Vishal. Wala pa rin. D-Mac. Binabang bola. D-Mac. Sumisa 100%. D-Mac ulangan. Kick pass kay Mr. Arce. Hindi nanda.
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining.
Seconds.
14 seconds remaining. Pops up number 9. Wala pa rin. Wala na naman. D-Mac nagmamadali. D-Mac. Ayun. Coast to coast ni D-Mac. Pumasok.
21 seconds.
Molina. Vishwa. Wala pa rin. Tuliao nakaribot naman. Tuliao. Nichols. Oy. Muntik pa. Wala lang. Diarse. Frony. 2 points, Frony. Visto pops up. Wala na. Okay, that's it. Okay, after first quarter action, lamang po ng 5 ang Airport United. 14-9.
Airport United leading by 5 points.
Okay, ito po 49 po, Airport United, 49. Lamang po sa 49. Standby po tayo sa ating second quarter action. And of course, after this po, Freighters versus Mechanicos. Punta po kayo dito.
Second quarter.
Second quarter action. The Hub. Hub Lounge, white ball. Okay, si number 20 ang mag-i-inbound. That's si Florin. And Valdez again. Number 20. Swipe away. Foul called. Foul on Valdez. Mabs.
Valdez, second personal foul.
Valdez called for the foul. Pangalawa po yun sa Valdez.
First team foul.
Baayos Nice. Di Makali for 3. Wala. Rebound. De Padua again naka-rebound. Clearing the boards now again. Di Padua. And Valdez.
Wide open.
Pilaw! Nakatingin na naman si Pilaw. 3 points si Pilaw. 14-12, 14-12. Di Makali. Pops up, babagay. Wala, in and out. Foul again. Again, De Padua clearing the boards. May coach na pala po may coach na po pala si ang Airport United ngayon. Kamukha ni Wilson ko. Okay. Number 20. Pops up number 20. Wala. Rebound babagay. Nope to Lopez. Lopez binabambola. Bring down the ball. Lopez bring down the ball. Molina. Babagay rather. Babagay. Wala. Again. Kalilong. Baredo. 2 points Baredo. Baredo barrels through. 2 points. Baredo. 16-12. 8:30 remaining. Valdez. 5. Valdez. Again to Di Makali. Oy. Double dribble. 8:11 remaining. 16-12 po. 16-12. Second quarter action. Valdez. Binabambola against Lopez. Pilaw. Binabantay ni Arco. Valdez. What a play by Valdez. Hindi po Kalilong. Kick pass kay Di Makali. 2 points. Finish it off. Tinapos si Di Makali ang bola. 18-12. Aling na muli kalamanga muli po ng Airport United. De Padua pops up. In and out. Balik ulit po tayo ngayon. And now, Mr. Lopez, binabambola. Sige, please, pakishare lang po itong sa live stream na to sa ating mga kasama. Sa mga totos, mga kaliparan po dyan. Wala. Rebound, babagay. Wala pa rin, hindi pumapasok. Siguro kinakalang nakaselo yata ang ring para kay babagay. Eto po tayo, De Padua against Di Makali. Pinalo agad, Pilaw. In and out. Rebound again. Lopez. 2 points Lopez. Timeout called now by the Hub. Hub launch call for the timeout. At 6:53 remaining, the score now is 20-12. 8-point advantage now for the Hub. For the Airport United pala. Man, it's messing up by visuals. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Airport United now leading up by 20-12. Laman po ng 8 po ang Airport United over Hub Lounge. Lopez, sinaras ka si Valdez. Okay, binataw muna, pansamantala. Valdez, binababa ang bola. Valdez against Babagay. Valdez. De Padua. Wala pa rin. And Lopez clearing the boards. Foul called.
Jersey number 5, first personal, second foul.
Binababa ang bola ngayon Lopez again. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Floro, naka-rebound. Valdez, against Di Makali. Valdez, nagmamadali. Pilaw. Nope. Nice one. Nice steal. Ayun, Babagay. Wala. Pilaw. Wala naman, pinektos palabas. Di Makali, nagmamadali. Di Makali. Wala naman. Baredo, barrel shoe. Wala pa rin. De Padua nakalibang kagad. 3 on 2. Hub Lounge. Pops up for 2. Yes, sirree. Number 22 points. 22 points. 5:32 remaining. Second liners, tandaan nyo na. Pops up, Di Macali. Wala. Wala. And now, Valdez. 2 points, Valdez. Apat na naman kalamangan na Airport United over Hablong. Di Macali. Babagay. Foul called. Di Macali. Di Macali. May connection ka nakita po doon. Okay, Babagay shooting for 2. Palit-lunit na po tayo. I think Babagay will retain. Ilan ba sila? Babagay shooting for 2. First shot, Babagay, good. Okay, second shot, Babagay. I think Babagay will retain. Siyam lang sila kasi. Unless kung dadagdagan. Hindi pa. Okay, Babagay I think will retain. In. Okay, Babagay nga. Hindi lalabas si Babagay. Siyam lang talagang Airport United ngayon. Binababa ang bola, Garcia. Valdez. Idol. Yarse. Uy! Stepping on the line. Palala po pula po tayo. Hindi po dilaw, pula. Cordero. Pops up for 3. Bangs it in. Cordero, 3 points. Cordero, 3 points. D-Mac na naman. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Wala, in and out. Tajib, nope. Nandun. Kay Molina ang bola. Babagay naman. Babagay. Nope. It's Christian. Nandun si D-Mac. Foul call. Foul call. Bisto called for the foul. Blocking foul on Bisto. Bisto blocking foul. D-Mac again for the inbound. Matibay yan. D-Mac yan eh. D-Mac inbounding now si Mr. Garcia. Najib. Uy! Foul! Uy! Okay, tayo lang. Ano yata? Nasa kumaraan. Pagpag. Okay. Molina called for the foul. Sumabit siya kasi. Then Najib shooting for 2. Pasok. Una. Second shot. Jumper ready. 13 foul. Najib. Second shot, Najib. Wala. Molina naka-rebound. Clearing the boards again for Airport United. Molina. And Vishal. Binababa ang bola muna. Vishal. And to Bisto brother. Kick pass. Cordero. Floater shot. Wala. Rebound Molina. Wala pa rin. Garcia. Wala. Wrong. No good. No foul. Yarse. Bangs it in. 3 points Yarse. Pops up. Bisha. Wala. Rebound. D-Mac naman. D-Mac clearing the boards. 2:55 remaining. 25-20 score po natin. D-Mac. Eto na si D-Mac. Pasok ang bola kay D-Mac. Speed and style and power. Yan ang delivery D-Mac. Babagay naman. Scaling the defense. Cordero. Pops number 3. Foul called. Cylinder foul. Take 3. Garcia called for the foul. Cordero shooting for 3. Cordero, first shot. Pasok. Cordero, second shot. Pasok. Cordero, last shot. Jumpers ready. Home court yata ni Dominic. Kaya pala eh. Kabisado. Last shot. Okay, basket made. 20-22, anin naman ang kalamangan muli po ng Airport United over the hub. Scott is watching also. Diarse, kick pass, ang lakas ang pasa. Bawi muli po tayo. Visto Brother, number 2, binababa ang bola. Cordero, babagay, Molina, babagay, ayun kay Bishwa. Ayun na, pops up again. No good. Swipe away. Nancy Najib. Malakas. Mali. Out of bounds. Airport United. Ball. 1:50 remaining. 28-22. Pinapaba ang bola. Visto Brother. Visto. Molina. Fumble. Babagay. Pops up. Kapos. Foul. Foul called. D-Mac called for a foul. First personal D-Mac. Warning for penalty. Half launch warning for penalty. Cordero. Babagay, driving strong. Babagay, palpal. Bishwa, Scotling. Okay, D-Mac. Landos, Dominic, palpal. Yan ang jib. 12 seconds remaining. Uy! Natik na. Visto, babagay, pops up. Kapos, foul! Ang babagay. What? Technical foul ang babagay. Technical foul. Hindi pwede, pumarakpak yata.
Jersey number 16, second personal foul.
Number 16 called for a foul. Half launch, penalty na. Kapos. Okay, same ball.
1 minute, 8 seconds, 14 shot clock.
1-2-2. Ayan pala 1-2-2. Okay. Visto, nakalawala. Pasok ang bola kay Visto. 57 seconds remaining. 26. Diarse. D-Mac, 2 points. Timeout called. Airport United naman tumawag ng timeout.
Six-point lead.
Mata, green na green. Di maano yun. Walang correction.
Back to the ball game, 4 to 5 seconds remaining. Second quarter.
Correct na siya. Hey! Okay, balik muli po tayo. 30-24, Visto, inalog, wala. Rebound by Gisebio. Ito na naman siya. Diarse, 2 points si Arce. Diarse clearing, making some damage also for Airport United. making damage on Airport United. Cordero, bang si rin. D-Mac, 8 seconds remaining. D-Mac, nawala bola. Babagay, malakas, and that's it. Brian Diolab, shoutout po si Sir Cassie Perez, shoutout kay Fred Harden Beard, same naman. Okay. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami.
Additional will be awarded for Hamas. Last one hablang. May current players na po yung Airport United. And then, meron pa po tatlong free throw. Sir, bigyan na po tatlo. Penalty free. Mr. Bruni, bigyan na po kayo. Next. Okay, Tulinaw. And then, Eusebio. Dito po natira hablang. Last one na po. Lalagay mo na. 27 na kayo.
Okay, some shots given kasi dahil marami kasi ng yung hub. First shot, wala. Okay. It's the bright side. Ay, putik. Sorry.
Airport United.
Ay. Babalik tayo sa yun, tama. Buti na lang. Ay, pa-shoutout po si AU, sabi ni Jade Ilaw. Yan. Okay. Back to the ball mo tayo. Baredo. Big Man Baredo for the inbound. Of course, with Lopez, si D-Mac, Dimacali. Of course, pops up, Lopez, malakas. Tumama sa ring. And D-Mac naman, D-Mac. Foul! Uy, dandan. Putang ina. No good. Second shot. Score is 32-29. Apat lang po kalamangan ng Airport United over Hablonge. Basket made. Pasok. Bilabang yun. Eto na naman. Dimacali. Dimac versus Dimac ah. Dimac. Uy! Lopez, interception. Intercepted by Lopez. Lopez, driving strong. Foul! Okay, Lopez shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. Pasok. Second shot, Lopez. Championship din po tayo. Pops up, Lopez. In. Both basket made. 5-point lead. Muli po tayo. 9:15 remaining. Pilaw. Naka 3 points. Wala. Kalilong. Lopez again. Dimacali against Pilaw. Kalilong for 3. Kapos. Rebound by Tuliao. Ayan si Pilaw. Pilaw nagmamadali. Pilaw. Malakas. Rebound pero Dimac. Lost the ball. Si Padua, wala. Kalilo, foul called. Binababa ngayon po. Jade Ila, pa-shot mo sa Elo, si AU, yes. And, ayun na naman, Dimac, mag-isa. Tapos ang bola. 35-32. At tatlo ang kalabangan. Labang na tatlo. Dimac again. Dimac versus Dimac. Ilaw. Sorry, Kalilong. Dimacali. Uy! Out of bounds called. Okay, sub muna po tayo, sub. Okay, Molina. Labas muna si Molina para kay ano? Para kay Babagay. Wala. Kalilong, kick pass, Dimacali. 2 points, Dimacali. 2 points, Dimacali. Ayan na naman, 37-32. Nilabas pa si Lopez. Tuliao, Nichols. Pilaw for 3. Nope. Ayan na naman, second chance points for Tuliao. For Hablonge. Tuliao, lost the ball almost. Pops up, Nichols, wala. Rebound, Babagay. Binabat ng bola. Babagay, binaba na ang bola ni Babagay. Kukto Kalilong. Babagay, almost lost the ball. Babagay, in and out. Ayan na naman siya. Di makulangan. Ako, malawas. Good ball. Dimacali, foul called. Pangit talagang lighting condition dito. Dimac. Babagay. Ayun. Naku, nilabas. Sayang. In and out. Oop, si Daisy. Madulas talaga rin sinasabi. Ingat lang po tayo, ha. Dave Ilaw, ang scope is 37-32. Laman po ng 5 ang Airport United. Ingat po tayo po. Medyo madulas daw talaga dito sa, ano, sa Southern School. Okay, game. Babagay from Cordero. Nilabas muna si, ano, si Di Macalit. Pop sa babagay. Nope. Uy! Baredo, sayang. Malakas. Still, same ball daw. Babagay. Pops up Kalilong. Bang! 3 points, Kalilong. Kalilong 3 points. De Padua. Najib. Okay, tara. Lamar Odob ng Qatar, si Jade Jao Kalilong sa Miral Castor. Pops up. Foul called again. Najib called for a foul. Molina shooting for 2. Najib naka-rebound. Garce. Najib. 2 points to Najib. 40-37. And naman, striking dito na naman ulit pang Avalanche. Babagay for 3. Nope. Rebound, Najib. Jarce against Cordero. Kumuha ng pick. Jarce. 2 points si Arce. Okay, nag-reserve ng time out po ang Airport United. 40-39. Babagay. Cordero for 3. Nope. Chance to take the lead. Jarce. Ayun. Valdez for 3. Nope. Babagay for the rebound. Julius Babagay. JB. Babagay. Molina. Pops up. Foul again. Puti, matibay siya no, sa Molina. Matibay sa Molina. Okay, timeout called. Chance now for the Airport United also to extend the lead to 3 points if Molina shoot this ball sa kanyang free throws po. Kung nakashoot mo pare-pareho. What's this? Michael De La Sierra. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Molina, number 18, shooting for 2. The Arce causing necessary points for the hub, if you notice. And also, the Arce also taking the mantle as a ball handler sa the hub. In. Dalawa. 3:59 remaining. Third quarter action. D-Mac na naman. D-Mac. Nakalusot. D-Mac. Palpal. Babagay. Bisto. In. Pasok. Technical foul called. Jersey number 2 called for the technical foul. Anong reason? Rep. Bakit? Continuous complaining. Okay.
Nawatira niya, nagko-complain, walang foul.
Okay. It's in. Okay. Bisto must slap with the technical foul for continuous complaining. 43-40, lamang na naman ng tatlo. D-Mac nakalusot kay Molina. D-Mac na naman. Wala. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. Same ball. Ating JRC now, ginagwardya na si Cordero. Ayan, magandang bantay ang dalawang to, no? Yan guarding each other. Pops up JRC. Kapos. Naka-rebound naman si Babagay. 3:01 remaining. Coming up next is the fourth and final quarter. Bisto. Babagay. Malakas. Najib. Foul. Maraming lamok yata yun sa Sudan School. Bisto, third personal foul. Najib shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Lamar Odom ng Qatar pala si Kalilung sa amin ni Ralph Castor. It's out. Lopez naka-rebound. Lopez driving strong. Wow! Stepping on the line. Lucky break. Lucky break for Airport United. Cordero pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez driving strong. Lopez. Wala. Rebound by D-Mac. D-Mac na naman. Kick pass. Yarse. 2 points. The lefty. Strikes again. Ayan na naman. Isa na naman kalamangan. Muli po. 14-42. Hanging by a 1-point lead ng Airport United. Cordero, 3-second violation called. Now chance for the Hub to take the lead. Ayan na, binaba ang bola. Eto na naman, Eusebio, ayaw. D-Mac. Jarce, the lefty. Umuwi ng pick. Jarce. Pops up. No good. Rebound Babagay. Babagay na. Foul called. Foul. Penalty situation. The Hub. Babagay shooting for 2. Shooting for 2, Babagay. First shot. Pasok. Babagay, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Babagay, second throw. Jumpers ready. Check nyo nga, ba madulas? Kapos!
Madulas siya, hindi madulas.
1:23 remaining. 44-42. Foul. Number 4. Number 24, Lopez called for the foul. Garcia, nope. Penalty situation also, Airport United. Garcia shooting for 2. Pasok sana. Second shot, jumper ready. Garcia, second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Di Macali and Rosana, pumasok na rin pala. Wala, rebound muli na. Kick pass kay Di Macali. Tapos kay Di Macali ang bola. Garcia. Pilao. Foul on Kalilong. At si Timac pinagpahinga muna para po in preparation po sa fourth and final quarter. Pilao shooting for 2, 46-42 at to a minute remaining sa third quarter action. Out. Second shot, jumpers ready. A minute remaining. Pasok kay Pilao. Pilao, pasok. Binatong bola, Kalilog, mali, tumama sa board. De Arce, floater shot, wala. Touch pass kay Rosana, out of bounds. Ayan naman, Lopez, De Arce. Babagay, foul! Babagay again, on the line. Babagay on the line. First shot. Papasok. Wala. Second shot. 46-43. Lamang muli mo ng 3. Second shot, Babagay. Teka. Okay, go. Go. Last shot. Wala. Good ball. Molina. Lopez, Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. 20 seconds remaining. Jarce. Naipit. Babagay naman. Kick pass kay Lopez. 2 points na naman. Garcia. 1 second out of time. Okay, the score is 50-43. The bleeding, pansamantalang inampat po ng Airport United mula po sa isa na lang po kanina kanilang kalamangan. And DRC also number 20 good, giving also significant contribution po para po sa The Hub. Along of course, yung mismo 100% si Di Makulangan. Yan, ang 100% na kanyang kapangyarihan, binibigay na. Okay, this is your ABC friend Dabas of the Flying League. We'd like first to thank the following sponsors. Jordan Nielsen, Team LBC Hanan Padala. Of course, nandito po ang SPB ARA and PSB Basketball League. Saan po natin po dyan ang ating pong current participants po na teams. This is the eliminations and first game for tonight sa ating Saturday edition po. Fourth quarter na po tayo between Hub and Airport United. Nicholas Tuliao, Idol, magandang gabi. Nichols Tuliao for the inbound. Okay. Nichols Tuliao against Di Macali. Fred Di Macali. Okay, kick pass kay Di Makulangan. Di Makulangan versus Lopez. Shot pa kay Julius Babagay, ang modelo po ng Belo Clinic ng Qatar. Talaga? In! Pasok ang bola! 3 points kagad. Pinakulang kagad di Dimac. Di Macali. Cordero for 3. Binawi naman ni Cordero ang 3 points. Cordero, 3 points again. Binababa ang bola. Pilao, Dimac. Kumuha ng screen. Umatake na si Dimac. Foul called. Mr. 100% Di Makulangan. Okay, Padepadua, ang rebound king ng Dahab, pinasok na rin pala. Garcia again, against Cordero. Nandun! Uy! Good ball. Garcia, Eurostep, malakas. Pilao, naka 2 points. Nice offensive putback by Pilao. 53-48 again, 5-point advantage again by Airport United over the hub. Lopez. Babagay. Cordero for 3. Out. Di Makulangan. Lost the ball. Almost hustle play. Pinasa Garcia. Wala. Rebound Kalilong. Binato kay Di Macali, tapos. Wala. Lopez, 2 points. Lopez, 2 points. Ayan na naman. Di Makulangan. Dinukot sa ilalim. Pasok. 55-58. 16 remaining. Pops up. Kapos. Ayan na naman, chance to trim down dito 3 points. Okay, De Padua, 2 points. Okay, timeout called na by Airport United. Okay, tali yung yung tropang Mechanicos. Ayun yung tropang puti versus tropang itim pala mamaya. Sige ba, paki-like and share na po ito. Joshua Junicio, anong quarter na po? Sir, 4th quarter na po at 7:58 remaining. The score is 55-52. Laman po ang Airport United. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo at 7:58. Bola po ng Airport United. Ayan na po si Di Makulangan, si Mr. 100% Di Makulangan. Kumikik na. Anong score, sir? Sir, 55-52. Favor, Airport United. Molina, wala. Di Makulangan na naman. Di Makulangan guys, Vishwa. Tuliao, Nichols. Uy! Whoop. Okay. Molina called for the foul. Second personal foul. Nichols Tuliao. Out. Second shot, jumper ready. Out. Tuliao Nichols again. Naka-rebound. Fresh 14. Garcia. Tuliao. D-Mac na naman. Double team na. Nichols. Tuliao. Out. De Padua. Wala pa rin. Nando si Cordero. Babagay. Binapang bola. Cordero. Pops up. Bangs it in. Short stab by Cordero. 57-52. D-Mac naman, foul sa likod. Reaching foul called on Vishal. Jersey number 9 called for the foul. Nico Stuliao for the inbound. Garcia. Pilau. Nico Stuliao. Pilau-Tulio connection. Di mo kailangan swipe away. Di mo kailangan muli. Di mo kailangan visual. Kick pass. Patay. Patay nga. 3 points, Nico Stuliao. 57-55. Lamang na lang ng dalaw na naman ng Airport United. Babagay for 3. Kapos. No good. Molina, hustle play, wala. Op. Holding foul. Fred Di Macali calls for the holding foul. Uh-oh. Warning for penalty po Airport United at 6:41 remaining. Di Makulangan, kuman ng bola against Vishal. Vishal against Di Makulangan. Giving the space. 2 points, Di Makulangan. How to stop the man like Di Makulangan. Di Macali. Di Macali shooting for 2. Hablonge called for the timeout at 6:20 remaining. 57 all po tayo via 2 points ni Di Makulangan, ni D-Mac. Si Mr. 100% Di Makulangan. Per. Sige po. Wala tayong sound ah. Okay, shoutout po kay shoutout Mabs and happy birthday pala, sabi ni John Biterona.
2 free throws to be awarded.
Okay, Di Macali shooting for 2. Di Macali must made free throws for Di Macali to give them the lead again para sa Airport United. Nope. Second shot, Di Macali. Kapos! Balik tayo. Ayan na. Hablonge. Tuliao. Najib. Ayan na, yung kanyang lefty. Pumasok na yan. Diarce. Oh! Molina. Ayan na naman, Di Macali. Kalilong. Cordero for 3. Kapos. Tuliao naka-rebound. Binato agad. Pilaw. Wala. Nandun si Kalilong. Nandun si Tuliao. Malakas ang pasa. Pilaw, si ilalim. Wala, foul called. Chance now to take the lead via free throws.
Substitution.
O, Di Macali, labas muna para kay Lopez.
Substitution.
Okay.
Babagay first personal foul, penalty.
Okay, Cordero, labas muna para kay Pisto. Papaping muna siya. Pilaw shooting for 2. Pilaw first shot. In. Lamang ang Hab. Hablonge, lamang. Second shot by the Hablonge. For Hablonge. Pasok pareho.
Substitution.
Okay lang po ng dalawang yon. Sub ngayon. Dip. Najib, labas muna. Lopez. Visto.
Red pistol.
Offline.
Boston University.
Ayan na, DRC. DRC. Si DRC pa na. DRC. DRC. Pinasok mo na kay Najib. Labas mo na Najib. Najib, lost the ball. Najib again! Wala! Rima, kulangan. Wala pa rin!
Another one for Najib.
Najib, wala pa rin! Babagay! Visto! Foul called! Al-Enim, shoutout po kay Arnel Luisaga, Team Geisher, at kay Julius Mulak, mga Viva Max actors ng Qatar.
Second team foul.
Visto, first shot. Pasok. Okay, to tie the ball game again. 4:46 remaining. Visto, second shot. Out. Rebound, Kalilong. Visto na naman. Wala. Masyadong pinilit ang bola. Babang. Di makulangan. Walang pinasahan si Di makulangan. Yun ang tap. Okay, muli lalabas muna para kay Barredo. Kailangan mo na ng muli lalabas muna para kay Barredo. Good game kay Molina. Of course, nandito po rin ngayon si Lopez. Renzo Manson, score po 58-59, lamang ang hub. Kalilong, nope, wala, Pilaw. Jarce, pinasap. Dico Silla for 3. Nope, rebound Lopez. Nando si Di makulangan. Nando si Najib, wala. Rebound Pilaw. Foul call.
Paul Pereira on jersey number 7.
Pilaw, chance now to extend the lead. Pinasok mo na, Kalilong. Kalilong, nakaapat na si Kalilong.
Three minutes, 56 seconds on the line. Shooting for two.
Okay, Di Mangali, pinasok muna para kay Kalilong. First shot. Pasok. Dalawa. Second shot. Pilaw. Austin Barantes. Shoutout din siya, sir. Second shot, Pilaw. Wala. Rebound, D-Mac. 2 points, D-Mac. 58-62. Anim kagad na kalamangan. What a turnaround, guys. Oops, si Daisy. What a turnaround kagad. 4-point lead advantage na bin-enjoyed na by the hub. Lopez, labas muna. Kalilong, labas. Kaya pasok mo si Kalilong. Di Makali. Wala. Foul called. And penalty situation.
Di Makali, second personal foul. Warning on number 4. Penalty.
Penalty situation na po ang Airport United. Tuliao Nicole shooting for 2. 3:37 remaining. Ano, gusto yung overtime? Pwede rin. Pasok. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Ayun. Nice one by Cordero. Cordero. Babagay. Kay Padua. Wait, 58-65, 58-65. Laman po ng 7.
3 minutes.
Again!
Diarse.
Jarse, ano muna? I think,
Defended by Nakali.
Di Makali. Tuliao Nichols, 2:47 remaining.
14 shot clock.
Jarse, against Cordero.
Down to 10.
De Padua called for a foul. Offensive foul of De Padua.
Defensive foul on person number 28. Substitution. Di Padua, third personal foul.
Okay, Baredo, labas muna para kay Molina. Okay, mahaba pa yan. 5 lang yan. Mahaba pa yan, 5 lang yan.
2 minutes, 38 seconds.
Eto naman tayo. Pagbagay.
Attacking.
Molina. Bang! 2 points.
Down to 5-point lead.
5-point lead. 60-65. Nichols Tuliao. 2:18 remaining. Ayan na, Dimakali versus Dimac. Dimac versus Dimac. Dimac ulangan. Wala. Rebound. Dimac Kalilong. Molina. Molina. Foul again.
Foul committed on jersey number 28. Molina.
Molina called for the foul.
Di Padua.
De Padua called for the foul. Hablans for team foul.
Fourth personal foul.
De Padua pang-4 na yan. Pops up Molina. Kapus. Isa pa. Second shot. Molina.
1 minute, 56 seconds game clock.
Nope. Rebound di makulangan.
Rebound din ako naman. Pass to Tuliao.
Tuliao. Ayun! Mag-isa! Wide open! 2 points, Pilaw.
Effort natin. Last one.
I think ang pinaka-factor dito, mas malalim po ang bench po ng hub ngayon. Mas marami sila eh. Kumpara mo sa Airport United. Yung Airport United, medyo undermanned. Wala sila dalag sa Brenzo Monson, milipad po. Sir. O si Brantes, wala rin po. 60-67, laman po ang hub. Laman po ng 7 at 1 minute 45 remaining.
Back to the ball game.
Medyo malalim po ang bench po ngayon ng The Hub. Of course, kahit wala po sa may ball handler sila, nando si DG, si Diarse. Okay, dito naman, nandiyo si Cordero naman.
40 shot clock.
Game. Cordero. Cordero for 3. Nope. Rebound. Uy! Diarse against Cordero. Hindi makulangan. Labas mo na raw. Diarse. Wala. Diarse ito naman. Labas. Sumugot kayo. Mga kalibel. Tapos na ang resby. Pops up. The bagay in and out. Babagay. Babagay 2 points. Hablans go for the timeout. 55 seconds again. 62, 67. Medyo malalim kasi.
55 seconds game clock.
Back to the ball game.
Both teams in penalty now. Both teams in penalty. 55 seconds.
Foul.
Lopez, third personal foul. Penalty. Both teams in penalty.
Penalty situation, the hub. Di Makulangan shooting for 2. First shot, D-Mac. Wala. Second shot, D-Mac.
$51 seconds.
In. Anim.
68, 63, 68.
Lost the ball. Foul again.
Lopez.
Lopez called for the foul. Again, D-Mac on the line. I think the looks of it now, I think Hub is now looking now to take now this win over Airport United. 40 seconds remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Ayan, balik-balik po sa 8. D-Mac again. Second shot, D-Mac.
7.8.
Pasok pareho. 8 nga. 8.
11 seconds. According to three.
Wala pa rin.
Lopez. His own version of three.
Wala pa rin. Okay, that's it. I think safety basket na tayo. Okay, safety basket na po tayo. Okay. Wala talaga. Okay, final score 62-70. Winner by 8 points. Of course, Team The Hub. Congratulations po. At magbabalik po sa ating final game for the day po between Faders and ano na po dyan po, Mechanicals. Winner po ang The Hub, ha? Thank you very much.